Welcome to the North Yorkshire town of Middlesbrough. Middlesbrough railway station is located a short walk from the town centre. The current railway station opened in 1877 after being resited 3 times before this location. Today we are taking a train from Middlesbrough down to the seaside town of Whitby. Taking us down to Whitby is this Class 156 diesel train, which entered service in 1988. The interior of the train looked clean and presentable. As we depart Middlesbrough station, you can just see the Middlesbrough docks in the background. After passing through the house and estates of Middlesbrough, we finally see some of the North Yorkshire countryside. You can just see the Roseberry Topping in the distance. The seats are comfortable and provide good back support. Legroom is a bit limited at the table seats, especially if someone is sitting across from you. On the approach into Battersby, we pass the next section of track towards Whitby. In order to get onto this section of track, the train has to reverse at Battersby station. Battersby is a very quiet station, which sees an average of around 2,000 people use it each year. Journey time from Middlesbrough to Whitby is around 1 hour and 30 minutes. The journey covers a total distance of around 35 miles. There are 5 trains per day in each direction Monday to Saturday, and 4 each way on a Sunday. The middle section of the line is mostly trees, as can be seen here. At Grosmont, connections are available for the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. This is a heritage railway where you can ride old steam and diesel trains down to Pickering. As we depart Grosmont, we pass a mixture of old train carriages. I'm guessing these carriages formed part of the train down to Pickering. The train line between Middlesbrough and Whitby is called the Esk Valley Line. The line follows the River Esk for most of its eastern half. So I'm guessing this is why the line is called the Esk Valley Line. On the approach into Whitby, we pass under the impressive Larpool Viaduct. The final section of the line between Russup and Whitby offers the best views in my opinion. You get a great overview of the southern side of Whitby and pass lots of boats. I paid just £1.90 for an advance single ticket for this full journey. This price was with a rail card, so it would have cost £2.90 without one. I feel both prices offer great value for money. To find prices as low as this, all you need to do is book your tickets a couple of weeks in advance. Whitby is the southern terminus of the Esk Valley Line. Whitby Railway Station first opened in June 1835 and then was resited 12 years later in June 1847. It is one of the oldest railway stations in the UK. In 2013, plans were approved for major development work around the station. This included the rebuilding and restoration of Platform 2. This meant that the North Yorkshire Moors Railway could run more trains per day. The station entrances are grand and look very impressive. Whitby was the birthplace of Captain James Cook, one of history's most famous explorers. This ship is called HMS Endeavour, which was Captain Cook's famous ship, which was built here in Whitby. Another landmark in the town is the Swing Bridge, which crosses over the River Esk. Whitby is famous for its connection with Dracula, the novel about a vampire by Bram Stoker. Bram Stoker visited Whitby in 1890 and drew inspiration from the town's dramatic scenery. We end this video halfway up the famous 199 steps to St Mary's Church. The steps offer great views overlooking the town from a distance. Have you ever visited Whitby before? What train line should I travel on next? Should I make a video about Middlesbrough or Whitby? Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my travel adventures. It is totally free to do so. If you would like to support my channel, you can find a link to my donation page down below in the video description.